Hello and welcome to Training Tuesdays. I'm Bronya, Operations Manager here at Asquith. In today's session I will be taking you through the self-adhesive and iron-on labels we offer and why you need them on your products. So let's get into it. There are two main types of adhesive labels. There is self-adhesive, the peel and stick type, and the heat-activated adhesive type, the one you have to apply heat to make them stick. They are called self-adhesive because the adhesive is sufficient to create a bond just through pressure, and no other elements like heat are needed. There are different strengths of adhesive. At Asquith, we produce self-adhesive labels in a wide range of materials, from woven fabric labels through to paper labels. Self-adhesive labels can be used to deliver information, highlight and reinforce special messages and display safety information. Mattress labels are often the self-adhesive type too. It allows the manufacturers to add the labels at the end of the production line. We can produce the labels with a simple barcode or QR code, or product information, along with your company logo in various finishes. When you're dealing with an awkward labelling location or need a label held in place to allow it to be sewn in, the self-adhesive woven label is the answer. Self-adhesive printed fabric labels are the ideal solution for adding additional information to a product without sewing in and potentially damaging a specialist coated fabric. Paper labels are a popular option when it comes to self-adhesive backing. They can be produced on plain rolls or sheet labels depending on your needs. Self-adhesive labels can be weakened if washed and could cause the label to fall off. If the labels are going on products that will be washed, we would suggest an iron-on backing. If you're searching for an alternative to the traditional sew-on label solution, iron-on labels, also known as heat seal labels, are the ideal label option. They are the quickest and easiest way to permanently apply a label to your product. Iron-on backing can be applied to labels of any size and shape, making them truly bespoke. There are two ways to attach an iron-on label to your product, either using a heat press or household iron. If you need an adhesive label that holds a bond when being washed, iron-on backing is the best option for you. This type of label is much better when consistent washing is required. Here is a general guide to fabrics and application specifications. First, use a thin material like a gauze to cover the labels. Do not iron directly onto the labels themselves. For thin material, iron on the reverse of the garment or labels. Do not use steam when applying iron-on badges. Gently iron over the label and gauze in a circular motion for the number of seconds indicated in the guide. Wait for 48 hours after fixing the labels before any wash testing. Do not wash the labels to a temperature of more than 45 degrees Celsius. For a heat press machine, set to 3 to 4 bar on 120 to 140 degrees. First, press the garment to remove any moisture and creases. Then, place the label where you would like it to be attached. Once the label is in the correct place, press the label for 10 to 12 seconds. I hope this information helped you learn something new. We look forward to seeing you at the next session.